Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how easy it is to parameterize your tests in LoadComplete. By parameterize, what I mean is that you're going to be able to provide different data for your virtual users, and each virtual user can use different data. A good example of this is different user IDs and passwords for each virtual user. So here I am creating my project. And this is a little app that I wrote that does an insert into a database. Right now, if I take a look here, I can record this. Here we go. As you can tell, this is an extremely basic insert form. So here I'm going to enter my name, my last name, my email address, and I'm going to put a page in here that says hit submit. I'll hit submit. Okay, I've done that. My test is now done. Check for any parameters. And then here we go. So if I go in and take a look at my database, I have Michael Punske and Mike.Punske at SmartBear.com. Now what I'm going to do is parameterize my test so that every virtual user uses a different first name, last name, and email address. To do that, I come up to Set Parameter Values, and I see things that I can parameterize. The first one is first name. So I'm going to come in here and select it, say Next, call it a BLTVAR1, that's the default, and as you can see, you can pull these values from an Excel workbook, a CSV file, a database file, or you can let LoadComplete make up these names or parameters that you're passing. For this example, I'll use a LoadComplete variable, a list variable, and then I'm going to generate, names, any first, and how many? I think 5,000 is a good number. Okay, and I'll hit next. I'll use a different value each time a virtual user needs to get one. Edit another parameter, the last name, LTVAR2, LoadComplete, list, generate, name, any last, 5,000, and one more parameter, email address. So I'm going to say next, LTVAR3, LoadComplete, list, generate, and then we'll just put in email addresses, and LoadComplete can even make up email addresses for you. 5,000 of them. Boom. And finished. And now you have a list of first names, last names, and email addresses that can be used by LoadComplete when your test is run. Now I am going to take my test on 2 virtual users for 1 minute. And even while this is running, I can go back bring up my table, and you'll see that it's already filling up with first name, last name, and email address parameters. So the parameterization works, and that's how you can log in as different users using the same techniques in your load test. Thank you very much, and see you next time.